Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to make Sabudana Vadi. So let's start and see how we can make this. So firstly you need to soak these sabudanas into water overnight. Do not add too much water and keep or else they will become sticky. Add a little water and let them soak overnight. So now let's see the next step. So firstly we are going to roast these groundnuts as we required groundnut powder. So roast them till it changes its texture. So you can see after some time a black coating will come on the groundnuts. So we need to roast till that time. So now you can see they have started getting roasted. So little by little you can see they are changing its texture. So now the groundnuts are ready. So now we are going to blend these roasted groundnuts. So let's take a blending jar. So now you can see the powder is ready. Don't make it too much powdery. So here are our sabudanas. So add this groundnut powder first. So nextly we are adding boiled potatoes. So I'm adding 2 potatoes. This will help to give a bind to the sabudana vada. So next ingredient which we are adding is onions. Chop onions and add. Green chilies we are adding. Then we will be adding coriander leaves. Fresh coriander you can add. So now after adding all the ingredients we are going to mix it very nicely so that all the ingredients get a blend within each other. After mixing we are adding salt as per taste. So now we can see that we are going to give shape to our vadas. So take a little bit and just make circle. Do the same for all of the others and deep fry one by one. So you can see we are deep frying our vadas. So fry it till it gets cooked. You can understand that it is being cooked by looking at the texture. So now you can see our delicious sabudana vada is ready to eat. So this is how it looks after we deep fry. So the sabudana vada are now ready to eat. Do try it out and let us know. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.